Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why does my skin look thinner, or why do my joints feel stiffer than they used to? You're eating better, maybe even taking collagen supplements, but somehow, you still don't feel like yourself. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone, and it's not just aging. It's something deeper that many people don't talk about: collagen loss after 50. And it's affecting more than just how you look. It impacts how you feel in your body, how you move, and how much energy you have each day. In this video, we're going to talk about what really happens to collagen after 50, why it matters, what speeds it up, and most importantly, how to slow it down and even help your body rebuild it. I'll walk you through 6 simple, natural ways to support collagen from the inside out. Before we start, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Just drop your state or city in the comments below. And if you have any natural health tips of your own, feel free to share those too. Someone else might really benefit from hearing what's worked for you. 1. The best foods that help your body rebuild collagen naturally. Real, everyday foods can send a powerful signal to your body that it's time to rebuild, restore, and strengthen what time has worn down. One of the best examples is bone broth. This warm, rich liquid is made by simmering bones with herbs and vegetables for many hours. During that time, collagen from the bones is released into the broth. It's like giving your body a direct, drinkable dose of healing support. Many older women I've worked with have told me that swapping out their second cup of coffee for a warm cup of bone broth helped ease joint stiffness and gave their skin a noticeable glow. Another food that deserves more attention is gelatin. You've likely heard of it from childhood desserts, but the unflavored, grass-fed version is a quiet powerhouse. It's packed with amino acids like glycine and proline, 2 of the exact building blocks your body needs to make collagen. You can stir a spoonful into your morning tea or warm lemon water. It's simple, gentle, and effective. Don't forget about egg whites either. They're easy to digest and full of the amino acid proline. When paired with colorful vegetables like red bell peppers or spinach, which are high in vitamin C, they become an even better support system for your collagen. Think of it as teamwork: one ingredient helps the other do its job better. And here's something small but mighty: pumpkin seeds. Just a small handful gives you nearly half the zinc your body needs each day. Zinc is a mineral that helps your body repair damaged collagen and maintain strong skin. You can toss them into your oatmeal, sprinkle them on a salad, or enjoy them plain with a pinch of sea salt. There's no need to overhaul your diet overnight. Just try adding 1 or 2 of these foods into your daily routine. Start slow. Maybe a warm broth in the evening, or a few pumpkin seeds with your lunch. These small choices speak to your body in a language it understands: nourishment, support, and care. 3. The 5 nutrients your collagen can't work without. You see, eating collagen-rich foods is a great start, but your body can't fully use those foods unless you also give it the right nutrients to go with them. Think of it like building a house. Collagen is the bricks, but these nutrients are the cement, the tools, and the workers. Without them, the job just doesn't get done right. The first and maybe most important one is vitamin C. This vitamin helps activate collagen in your body. Without enough of it, all that collagen you're trying to build just stays inactive. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruit, bell peppers, and strawberries are some of the best sources. Just a few slices with breakfast or as a snack can make a big difference. Next comes zinc. Zinc helps repair skin and rebuild collagen when it gets damaged. And as we age, our skin gets thinner and takes longer to heal, so zinc becomes even more important. Foods like pumpkin seeds, lentils, and even chickpeas are good ways to add this to your meals. One woman I worked with told me that after adding just a few tablespoons of pumpkin seeds to her daily yogurt, she saw her nails stop breaking and her skin didn't feel as dry. Then there's copper, a mineral that helps hold collagen fibers together. Without it, collagen becomes weak and can break down more quickly. You can find copper in small amounts in foods like sunflower seeds, cashews, and even dark leafy greens. Another important helper is silica, found in foods like cucumbers and oats. Silica helps your skin stay elastic, so it can bounce back instead of sagging. It's gentle, but it works quietly in the background to keep your skin feeling firm and your joints moving smoothly. And of course, your body still needs the amino acids that make up collagen in the first place, especially glycine and proline. These come from foods like egg whites, spinach, and good old-fashioned gelatin. If you're missing even one of these nutrients, you may not see the full results of your efforts. That's why a balanced approach is so important. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to make sure your body has what it needs to do the job. 4. The everyday habits that quietly damage your collagen. You might be eating better, sipping bone broth, and adding those extra nutrients to your meals, and that's wonderful. But sometimes, even when we're trying our best, there are a few small habits hiding in our daily routine that quietly undo some of that good work. These habits don't seem harmful at first. In fact, many of them feel like normal parts of life. But over time, they can slow down collagen production and make it harder for your body to heal and feel strong. Let's start with sugar. Even small amounts of added sugar, like in flavored yogurt, that second cookie, or sweetened coffee, can bind to your collagen in a process called glycation. When that happens, your collagen becomes stiff, weak, and more prone to breaking down. Your skin may start to look dull or saggy, and your joints may feel less flexible. You don't need to give up everything sweet, but being mindful, choosing fruit over candy, or unsweetened tea instead of soda, can go a long way. Next is something we all struggle with from time to time: poor sleep. When your body doesn't get enough deep, restful sleep, it doesn't release enough growth hormone, the hormone that helps repair tissue and rebuild collagen while you rest. You may be lying in bed for 8 hours, but if you're tossing and turning or waking up often, your body isn't getting the healing time it needs. Creating a simple bedtime routine, avoiding screens late at night, or even using a calming herbal tea can help. Then there's stress, something we carry more than we realize. When we stay stressed for too long, our body produces too much cortisol, a hormone that actually slows down collagen formation and thins the skin over time. One of my clients, a 61-year-old woman, thought she needed more supplements. But when she started taking short daily walks and making time to breathe and rest, her energy and skin noticeably improved. Sun exposure is another big one. Even 10 or 15 minutes outside without protection can break down collagen fibers under the skin. We often forget to wear sunscreen if we're just stepping out for a short time, but those quick exposures add up. A broad-spectrum sunscreen with gentle ingredients isn't about vanity, it's about preserving the structure of your skin. And finally, toxins, including cigarette smoke and air pollution, create free radicals that attack and damage collagen. Even secondhand smoke or city smog can have long-term effects, especially if your body is already low on antioxidants. If any of these sound familiar, don't feel bad. Most people have at least one of these habits. But by gently adjusting even just one, whether that's cutting back on sugar, getting better sleep, or wearing sunscreen, you're giving your collagen the chance to thrive again. And that's a powerful step forward. 5. What you really need to know about plant-based collagen. There's a lot of talk these days about plant-based collagen. You've probably seen ads or labels saying vegan collagen or collagen boosters at the store or online. And for those who don't eat meat or prefer plant-based diets, it might seem like a perfect solution. But here's the truth, told with honesty and care: there is no such thing as true collagen made from plants. Collagen is a protein that's only found in animals, like in skin, bones, and connective tissue. Now, that doesn't mean you're out of options. If you follow a plant-based lifestyle, or just prefer not to eat animal-based collagen, there are still plenty of ways to support your body's ability to build its own collagen naturally. The trick is knowing what to look for, and not getting misled by flashy marketing. Most vegan or plant-based collagen products don't contain collagen itself. What they do contain are the ingredients your body needs to make collagen, like vitamin C, amino acids, zinc, and silica. When these nutrients are combined properly and consumed regularly, they can help your body do the hard work of rebuilding collagen on its own. You can get these nutrients from simple plant-based foods like chia seeds, tofu, spinach, pumpkin seeds, citrus fruits, and hemp seeds. One of my longtime clients, Naomi, had been vegan for over a decade. She was frustrated because no matter what she tried, her skin still looked tired and uneven. When we changed her meals just a little, adding a daily smoothie with spinach, citrus, oats, and a little spirulina, she started seeing and feeling the difference within a few weeks. Her skin tone brightened, and she told me she finally felt more alive again. So, if you see a product labeled plant-based collagen, take a closer look. It may be helpful, but it's not collagen itself. The key is to build your foundation with real, nourishing foods that support your body's natural ability to heal and rebuild. And most importantly, be consistent. Real change comes from small steps repeated over time, not from a trendy powder or a quick fix. Whether you're vegan, vegetarian, or simply looking for more plant-based options, there is a path forward. Your body still wants to thrive. You just need to give it the right tools to do the job well. 6. A simple 30-day plan to help you feel stronger, healthier, and more radiant. Now that you understand what collagen does, why it matters, and how to support it naturally, you might be wondering, where do I start? It can feel overwhelming at first. There's a lot of information, and the last thing you need is another strict routine or a long list of don'ts. That's not the goal here. What your body needs, especially after 50, is rhythm, not restriction. A gentle structure that gives your body the nourishment and rest it's quietly asking for. That's why I often recommend a simple 30-day reset, not a diet, not a detox, just a fresh start. One that honors your age, your pace, and your needs. In the first 10 days, start small. Begin your mornings with warm lemon water. This simple habit helps your digestion and gives a gentle dose of vitamin C. Then, once a day, add one collagen-rich food, like bone broth, a spoon of gelatin in tea, or egg whites at breakfast. Don't change everything at once. Just build one good habit at a time. From days 11 to 20, focus on bringing in the collagen helpers, those key nutrients your body needs to do the work. Add a few slices of citrus for vitamin C, sprinkle pumpkin seeds on your salad or oatmeal for zinc. Enjoy a handful of cashews or sunflower seeds for copper. Toss a few cucumber slices into your lunch for silica. Choose 2 each day, and rotate them through the week. Keep it simple. Keep it light. In the final 10 days, turn your attention to your daily habits. Gently reduce sugar where you can, maybe cut back on sweetened drinks or processed snacks. Improve your sleep by turning off screens a bit earlier and setting a calm evening routine. And find just one small way to release stress, like a walk after dinner, a few deep breaths before bed, or writing down something you're grateful for. One of my clients, Rosa, 60, followed this exact rhythm. And by the end of the month, she didn't just notice firmer skin, she told me something more powerful. She said, "I finally feel at home in my body again." That's what this is really about. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need a miracle. What you need is consistency, care, and a little faith in your body's ability to heal. Start wherever you are. Maybe today is your day 1, and that's more than enough. If you're ready to take that first step, type "Day 1 starts now" in the comments. And know this, you're not doing this alone. I'll be right here, cheering you on, because you deserve to feel strong, radiant, and whole. No matter where you're starting from, it's never too late to care for yourself in a deeper way. You made it to the end, and I hope that somewhere along the way, something clicked for you. Maybe it was realizing that collagen isn't just about skin, but also about how you feel in your joints, your energy, your strength. Or maybe it was learning that your body is still capable of healing, even after all these years. That you haven't missed your chance.